Hello everyone, my name is Kushbu. Welcome back again to this statistics video lecture series. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss about one of the very important topic in context of statistics for data science, that is probability. So this probability will be the agenda of today's session. Let us understand first what does it mean by probability? What is actually probability? So this probability is, let me write the definition so that it will help you to understand, is the measure of likelihood of an event. So this is the very simple definition of probability. So what is it? Probability is measure of likelihood of an event. Let's understand it with the help of an example. Okay. So suppose I have a coin. Okay. Suppose I have a coin, and if I'm going to toss this coin, okay, if I'm going to toss this coin, so what is the probability? Like, what are the things that I can get off if I'm going to toss a coin? Either head, right? Either head I can get, or either I can get tail. There is no such scenario which I can get apart from these two, that is head and tail, right? So here in this case, in the case of tossing a coin, this is the measure of likelihood and event, that is a likelihood of an event, that is head or tail, right? In other word, I can say that this head and tail is the entire space for this tossing of coin. If I'm going to write the formula in case of probability, in context of probability, then it is going to be expected outcome by possible outcome. So if I'm going to write this formula in context of tossing a coin, so what I'm going to get? Suppose if I tell you what is the probability of getting a head. So, in two times, like either head or tail, I can get the head one time, right? At once, I can get either head or either tail. So this probability of getting head is 1 by, so expected outcome will be 1, and possible outcome. Possible outcome means all the total outcome that may happen. So here, as you can see, that there are two possible outcome, that is head or tail. So here it will be 1 by 2. In a similar way, if I ask you what is the probability of getting tail, so again it is going to be 1 by 2, because this can be expected as 1 and possible outcome is 2, right? So this is one example. If I give you another example of probability is rolling a die. Okay, so this was my first example, and this is the second example, rolling a die. So if I'm going to roll a die, so what is the sample space that I can get out of this die? So either I can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. There is no such scenario that could happen apart from these 6, right? So in case of rolling a die, if I ask you what is the probability of getting number 2, so what you will write? You will be getting 1 by 6. Now let's understand how I got. So here, as I said, the formula will be expected outcome by possible outcome. So what is the expected outcome that 2 may come? So this is the one time 2 may come. If I'm going to roll a die, so there could be possibility that either I can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I'm going to talk particularly about 2, so it can get at once, and the total possible outcome is 6. Again, for any of these number, if I am going to check the probability, let's say for number 5, again it is going to be 1 by 6. Okay, so this was all about probabilities. I hope you understood these examples. Now there is two more important concept if I am going to talk about probability. That is, the first one is mutual exclusive event, and the second one is non-mutual exclusive event. Okay, so these two are basically the event inside probability that may happen. So let us understand each one of that one by one. So talking about first mutual exclusive event. So if there is two event, right? So these two event is said to be mutually exclusive when there is a possibility that they both cannot occur at same point of time. So if you remember, initially I took an example of tossing a coin, right? Tossing a coin. So was there any kind of possibility that if I toss a coin, I can get head and tail at same point of time, right? I can get head and tail at same point of time. Of course, no, right? Either I can get head or either I can get tail. So this tossing of coin can be considered as an example of mutual exclusive event because there is no such possibility that this head and tail can occur at same point of time. Now, the second example also was of mutual exclusive event, that is rolling a die. Okay. So if I'm going to roll a die, there is no such possibility that at the same point of time I can get two outcome, right? If I'm going to ask you what is the probability of getting one and two at same point of time. So there is no such possibility, right? If I'm going to roll a die, either I can get one, either I can get two, right? So this can be also considered as an example of mutual exclusive event. Now talking about non-mutual exclusive event. So this was the example 1 for mutual exclusive event and example 2, right? Now, if I talk about non-mutual exclusive event, so it's an opposite of mutual exclusive event. So two particular event can be said as non-mutual exclusive when there is a possibility of those two events to be occurring at same point of time. So I hope all of you would be aware about cards, right? Cards. So there is a deck of cards where we have 52 cards, right? Deck of cards, there is 52, right? If I talk about what is the possibility of, if I'm going to pick one card from this deck of cards, what is the possibility that I can get K, that is king, or heart, or I can get K or heart, right? So here I mean to say in total that here I can get either K, right? K with any shape maybe. I can get heart as well with some other number or with some other like king or queen, or else I can get this K heart in the same card, right? So there is a possibility that these two symbol, right, that is K and heart, can come at same point of time. So this event is considered as non-mutual exclusive event because there is a possibility that two event can occur at same time, right? So this is the difference between mutual exclusive event and non-mutual exclusive event. I hope you understood what is probability, what is mutual exclusive, and what is non-mutual exclusive event. So that's it for this video, guys. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer. In the next video, I'll be discussing about what is multiplicative rule, what is additive rule of probability. So stay tuned for getting the latest videos. Thank you so much.